but I want to start with the DHCP first. But yesterday in evening, so I told about evening means end of the class. I told about a group policy, right? So then it is. So then it is. I want to one more practical may give you easy to understand. So guys, what is group policy? My server and client both are in VMnet 1. First, I will start my server 2 GB, 2 GB. Anyone? What is group policy? No one is telling answer. Enforce various type of settings to a large number of users and computers. Someone put a message. Okay. Yes, it is a powerful administrative tool. It enforces various type of settings to a large number of computers. Very good. So guys, when you are getting a question like a group policy, so what is group policy? Interviewer asked question, what is group policies? Don't give single word answers. Give a proper and full answer. Okay. So I'm trying to tell how to give an answer in an interview. You got a questions. You got a questions. You got answers. So many things. You Google material is available. But important thing is how to tell an answer at a time of interview. For example, group policy is a question. What is a group policy? So in a group policy is a very powerful administrative tool or an administrative tool. Administrative tool is also enough. That's very powerful is not required. It is an administrative tool and you stopped it. Then there is a problem because of there are a lot of administrative tools are there, not only a group policy, there is a lot of different administrative tools are there. That is the first part. Understand? So answer automatically a wrong answer. You given a correct answer, but automatically become a wrong answer also. So give the complete answer. Group policy is an administrative tool. It enforces various type of settings to large number of computers and users. Okay. So then start give one line explanation. Example, I want to enforce a setting, a firewall setting or a network setting. Okay. Or I want to deploy an application to a large group of computers or a user base. We can give through group policy. We create a group policies. In that one, we mention the settings and we link the group policies to a OU or a domain or a site. So then the users in that users and computers in the OU and domain will get that policy settings. Okay, like that. So that's one line explanation you have to give. So give continuously, maintain continuity in answer. Don't give very fast. So like normally we know answer, then we will get excited and we will try to give an answer like this, like without wasting time. So group policies administrative tool enforce various type of settings a large number of computers into like I deploy application to 10 computers. I can create a policy and do it like this. Don't do like that. So because the speed kills the answer. Even though you are giving correct answer, that is interviewer don't like it. First important. Okay, and don't delay also. Don't delay. Don't fully delay also. Don't practice like. What is a group policy? Group policy is a administrative tools and it enforce settings to computers and users and like this. If you tell, it is delay. Okay, so maintain a flow. Try to maintain a flow. Group policy is administrative tool enforce various type of settings to a large number of users and groups. Example, if I want to deploy an application to a 10 computers, computers, so I'll create a policy. I edit the policy with the required settings. I link the policy to OU or a domain. So then the computers, when they restarted, so they automatically they will get a policy. So like user configuration, computer configuration, that kind of stuff is separate. But in generally, like what are the practically you're done? So I want to restrict users deleted data. I want to restrict user cannot shut down. Okay. I want to give settings like a printer setting to a large number of users. So then I can able to enforce it. So this is different type of folder redirections. Like it. So just understand what it is and give the one example. If you give example, meaning is you understand. If you give a statement, means you're given a statement only. You don't whether you understand or not, guys. Always an example is very important. Why I take a Tata company? Why I take some printer example or a application example or a firewall example? Okay, so why we take an example for a understanding? Like I understand it. Okay, when I give an example means I understand. To make others understand, I'm teaching. But first of all, if I don't know some subject and I got some PPT and I want to teach, I keep going like I reading each and everything and explaining something and giving. I didn't give any much of examples. Then what happened? So meaning is I don't understand. So of course you cannot understand that. So that's the point of your interview. How to prepare for an interview. That's one point I want to tell again. That's why I told this one. Okay. Enforce various type of settings. Okay. So here in this one, we use desktop wallpaper. So what is this desktop wallpaper? Client in a background. So then you can see it is. In my background, I have a wallpaper, right? So default Windows 10 wallpaper is there. Okay, desktop wallpaper is there. So I want to enforce a wallpaper. So user cannot change their wallpapers. So I will tell what wallpaper user should use it. User should use it. So like that, I will tell. Okay. So that is a desktop wallpaper. Here it is. Can anybody tell what are the steps to create a group policy? The first one is
domain60.com tools.
group policy management. Okay. The first one, of course, in your server manager tools. First step is create a policy. Edit, link, verify at a client side. Okay. So when you go to group policy management, so you have to go down, down, down. Finally, you have to reach group policy object.
Sir, edit the setting GPM editor.
Very good. Edit. So when you right click edit, so when you create means you have to right click new on a group policy management. So you create a policy. My policy name is here desktop wallpaper policy or wallpaper policy. You can use it. Yes, very good. So on this one, you have to go to right click, edit, then what it will open. Very good. So click on this policy, edit. So then when you go to edit, what will open? Group policy management editor will open. Okay. Next, link the policy, link to OU. Which OU? IT support OU. I presently IT support. Okay. Update. You know that one. GP update / force. Verify. You know the go to client and verify the policy. So here it is. I will create a first of all, I'll create a picture. I took a picture. Took a picture or I create a picture. First one. So I'm doing in my Win server one only. In my domain controller only. First I need a picture. Like that. So picture. Create a picture and put it in a folder. Okay. And share folder. Okay. Put it in a folder. So folder name is wall.
जब हम इसमें कहला अटेंड कर रहे हूँ बॉक्स में
Wallpaper and share the wallpaper folder. Okay. Then remaining settings I will explain what to do. So already group policy management is open. Domain, your domain name, expand, group policy object. Okay. So what to do now from starting? Yeah, first of all, we need a picture, right? So we have to design a picture. So I'm going to my C drive. So from C drive only I will share it. In a C drive, I'm going to create in a server only. I'm creating a thing like wallpaper. This is the folder. Inside this folder, I'm creating a file, picture. Okay. Headache is heavy. Guys, the picture should not be very big because you have to check this pixel size of your total picture. Okay, it should not be very big. Otherwise, if it is very big, then it is It will give you a column. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, it will show you black and white color only. Okay, so then that column. So no problem. Just will design something. Okay, so maybe like I put a CTS. I'm getting. Yeah, you can design a picture, or you will do something. I will put a picture inside of this one. So like so maybe this is better picture. So we'll try. I'm copying directly a picture into this one. But whatsoever it is, it should not be more than 1366 into 768, and better to maintain very less, like a 1270 1280 into 600 kind of stuff only. Wow. Uh, um, no, picture is copied, but size is a little bigger, or okay size. We'll try whether it is working or not. Okay, currently picture is there. It is a PNG picture. See the file name extension .png. Okay, so I'm not changing anything. Just I keep the picture. Otherwise, you can design it also, no problem. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. You can give permissions to everyone, or you can give to authenticated users kind of stuff also. Okay, so I given a share permission to everyone. Again, go to security permission. In security permissions, I'm giving a permission to authenticated users. See, it is authenticated users, or you can give domain users also, or everyone, no problem. Everyone also, no problem, because we are in our own network, right? So no problem. I'm giving everyone authenticated users, full control. Okay, sharing is completed. Okay, again I'm going properties, sharing tab. So this is the link network path is there now, so that is called a UNC path. Okay. Open the notepad, paste it in notepad, and also go to this. See, it is a forest1.png slash forest1.png. Okay, so this is complete picture link. Remember that one. This is completed. Now I'm going for a group policy. First one is create a policy. Someone is sending a message or what? No. New desktop wallpaper policy. It is just a name. You don't do anything. Just a name. Don't do anything. Okay. So what is the next step? Edit the policy. So I'm doing it under user configuration. Click on user configuration, administrative templates, expand, go to all settings. Go to all settings. Action, filter option, select this enable keyword filters. I put a desktop wallpaper. So make it as a exact, click OK. So again, click on all settings. You can see desktop wallpaper. Open the desktop wallpaper. Enable it. It is asking what is the wallpaper name. Name means you have to give either local path or a network path. Already I copied a network path. I'm giving network path. You should give network path only, guys. Local path won't work. Apply. Okay. So editing is completed. Editing is completed. What is the next step?
Link.
Link the policy. Very good. IT support. I'm linking to IT support only. And select which policy you are using, desktop wallpaper policy. Okay. So on IT support, two policies are there. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is just a refresh once. So just click on here or here. Just refresh once. Why? Because some ways, it is edited but not exactly not update kind of stuff is there. So better refresh once. So next step, update. So in a update in a server side as well as a client side also. If you don't update, also no problem. But already I told, if you update, if is any issue is there, to give you a group policy. Like I created a group policy, but you are not getting group policy. Okay. After you sign out, sign in, or restart the computer. So even in that condition also, you are not getting an group policies. So what I have to do, I will update it. So when I update it, so update will verify both server and client is connected. If server is in a different time, okay, time and time zone is matches. Okay. Is any IP address related changes like DNS related changes are occurs, so that will be verified. The first time I think I took a class very weak because my mind is also very weak. Okay, already I log in with Sai Babu, so then I'm just logging with that one only. can deploy an applications. You know, we done a firewall setting, right? So like I done a firewall setting. For example, I have to go to 100 computers and then I have to do the firewall setting. It's very difficult. What I do, I create a group policy for firewall setting. I link the policy to the domain. So then in entire domain computers will get a that policy. Can you see my background? The picture is came or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same.
Okay, I didn't update a policy in the client side because just I started a computer. Anyway, it is a login. So when you are logging to the computer, so obviously it your client will try to get a whatever it is access permissions or policies are there. It will get it. It will get it from the Windows servers, from the server. Okay, from the domain controller. So this is your group policy. Anybody want to do same practical again? Only small change is there. That's it. So I'm taking this picture, or you can draw the picture also. No problem. Just pasting in same location. So power options like this. So what I'm trying to do is, first of all, I'm trying to open this picture. So how much it is there? It is a small one only. It is a small one. See, 811 into 70407. No problem. And there is a renaming is important because if there is a spaces in the naming, then problem like that. And it is a JPG. Okay, power options dot JPG. So again, go to rename. I'm copying entire name, paste it. Guys, already I shared this one. So look at this wallpaper. Already I shared like advanced sharing. I put a check mark and a permissions. Give full sharing permissions, and also given a security. Here I given a authenticated users. Okay, full permissions. Close. Okay, so this is the wallpaper I have currently, and then the sharing. Copy this sharing path. Give the network path here like this. So this is your full path, UNC path, complete path of your file. I'm going to policies. I'm creating another policy. New policy again. Desktop wallpaper policy 2. One is already there now, so then I put a name is 2. Okay. Otherwise, I'll put a power. Okay. Any name. It's just a name, guys. It don't do anything. Okay. It don't do anything. You have to do settings. I created a policy. Next one is edit the policy. Right click, edit. User configurations. Under user configuration, click policies, administrative templates, settings, administrative templates, settings, go to filter options, desktop wallpaper only. So this check mark, all desktop wallpaper, exact. Yes, you can click on settings. It is there in the desktop. I'll go to all settings. Okay, desktop wallpaper. What to do? Enable it first and copy this link. Your network path. So editing is completed. What is the next one? Linking. I'm linking to HR. I'm linking to HR. Right click on HR, link existing. Then I select this policy, desktop wallpaper policy, power options, click OK. Okay, so I given to HR. So done. Refresh. Better update. Here also GP update. Okay, successful. No issues. It closed automatically, so don't worry. I'm sign out from Sai Babu. Login again. But my policies, this is not changing. So what I have to do? Who will get that policy? That power options picture. 1 second. Hello. Yeah. నేను పూణేలో ఉన్నానండి. ఎక్కడండి? వైజాగ్లోనండి. ఓకే, ఇదేనండి. అలాగే. ఓకే, అర్చన. Okay, so Archana got a power options picture and Sai Babu got a other picture. So why Sai Babu got this picture and why Archana got this picture? That is the question. Anyone?
We are
It is
linking
updated
the
to
group
HR.
policy Group policy to the HR.
Very good.
Even that's right.
Correct. Correct. See, in this policy under HR group policy, I given a picture differently. I given a different part of picture. It is, see, I given a power options picture. For this policy, I link to HR, and for this one, I given. Look at here, forest PNG to this policy and link it to IT support. Means different policies, different values, and it is applied to like their Archana is in HR HR value. Okay, so first of all, I will show you this one also. Okay, so here it is, IT support, Sai Babu is there, HR, Archana is there. In HR, Archana is there. In IT support, Sai Babu is there. So policy linked to IT support is the settings enforces on Sai Babu and Rajneesh. Policy linked to HR is enforces on Archana. So that's why Archana got a power options picture, and IT support people get a means Sai Babu got a that forest picture. And also yesterday we done a one practical, right? So that is in a control panel, network and internet change power options. Sorry, internet options kind of stuff. Go to that one. Change your home page. See, it is open. Yesterday it is restricted. Why? Because of that policy is applied on this user. See, look at here. IT support IE restriction policy is there. So the where I link this IE restriction policy there, the general tab is missing. You can't change the home page. You can't change the home pages. So that is the policy I linked here. But this policy is not linked to HROU. Means HROU users don't get that policy. Don't get that policy settings. So that's why you can able to open it. That's the group policy and OU guys. Anything, anybody? Understand, not understand, please tell me.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, what if we delete the picture in server?
Very good.
It will still shows the wallpaper in client also.
So I am deleting the picture. Just delete. Okay, it is in recycler bin, so don't worry. But in a main location, in a shared folder, we deleted it. Good. Okay. Now, just I close this one, right? So just I'm going to refresh. If any the update is there, no? So that's why you should not think like as per this policy, the information is that it is showing. It is in the same place, like this picture only information is this one only, but you deleted a picture. The picture has to send, but no picture. The picture has to send from your server to client, but there is no picture. Okay, so yeah, it's a very good one. So we'll try. Picture is showing here because I'm already logged in. So what I have to do is how to update the policy. Better update the policy, guys, because we are not in the real-time environment also. The force will little bit enforce the policy settings. This time I log out from the Archana. So in a main source computer, I demo the picture. So when I log in again, how to get the picture? but picture is not there. Better I will log in as other user. We'll see. There is one candidate is there in so 2018 or 19, I didn't remember, 18 only. He's always cross verify like this only. When I told like this is a profile data, this is the like this certain practicals, he create that environment and do it. So what happened in background?
There is no wallpaper.
Nothing wallpaper, only blank screen, only black screen. Okay, not even a Windows logo also, because of you said you give it, but there is nothing is there. Okay, sometimes I use the security settings. You know, initially when I do this practical, some people are forget to give the security permissions. So in a security permissions are not there, so they won't get a picture. Some people will get successful, some people won't get it. Why? Because of sharing is correct, security no permissions. That's the point. And you want to change the background also, you can't change it, right? So personalize. Because of that group policy, okay, some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organizations. Because of that group policy, you can't change the your background. Okay, if you don't get the background from the server because of that group policy. So I'm enforcing two things will occur. That's why I told when you are editing the policy, you must read what setting it is about options and as well as a help also. Why? Because of it disable user cannot change the password. So it is like a you are giving it rest of wallpaper means user cannot change his rest of wallpaper. Only server will give you desktop wallpaper. Okay. If you get it back again, so then maybe you may get that one. Okay. What I will do, so I will create a picture. I don't think what it is. Okay, now I put some different picture with the same name. I didn't change anything here. I'm playing with it. Yeah, I forget to update here. No problem. See it is picture is came. The name is matching. So if name is not matching also won't work, but name is matching. That's it, guys. That is about your group policies. Ambrish, tell me.
Yes, sir. Got it.
I stop.